In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Android Studio and all its components. So let's begin downloading Android Studio, installing its SDK, and configuring it and to be ready to develop apps. So let's begin, guys. Go to google.com and put Android Studio. Search for Android Studio and you will get the developer.android.com. This is the official site of Android Studio. Click on it. And 3.5 for Windows 64-bit, it is indicated automatically. So we scroll down if you want to see more download options, and you can download the Windows 64-bit, Windows 32, but I will install and download this package or this exe installer file because my Windows is 64-bit. This site will automatically indicate which is recommended installer for your PC. So it is 710 megabytes. I have read and agreed the conditions. Download, waiting to download Android Studio package file. Okay, so this is the installers we have download. Click on it, open, and this is the Android Studio setup. Go through it and click on Android virtual device. We will see later how to configure the virtual devices. So let keep the installer and setup going through. Waiting till finishing. And here we go, the installer have been finished. Okay, so we click next. And start Android Studio, click finish. So we have downloaded the Android Studio. We need to configure the SDK. We choose the latest SDK and keep it in the default SDK file or path. So it is about 613 megabytes. And wait the Android Studio to download and install SDK tools. Wait the installer to finish the installing and downloading process. Till now, we've downloaded Android Studio and configured its SDK. See you next videos, guys.